DEWALT 20 volts max 100% battery powered to eliminate the hassle of using gas, compressor, and hose, ideal for cabinetry, furniture, paneling, and flooring underlayment. A brushless motor maximizes runtime and durability. Tool-free selectable trigger for sequential or contact actuation modes. Tool-free depth adjustment for precise countersinking of staples. Low nail lockout prevents dry firing and unwanted marks on the work material. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. Multifunctional LED lights help to provide both workspace illumination and tool diagnostics. Integrated tool-free stall release lever to quickly reset the driver blade in the event of a stall. Adjustable belt hook for left or right attachment, depending on user preference. Bottom load magazine for easy loading and removal of jammed fasteners. Compatible with all DEWALT 20 volts max batteries. Includes narrow crown stapler, DCB 203 battery, DCB 112 charger, kit bag. This product is manufactured in Mexico. This product meets customer requirements. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. 100% battery powered to eliminate the hassle of using gas, compressor, and hose. Number 2. This product is manufactured in Mexico. Number 3. This product meets customer requirements. Number 4. The maximum initial battery voltage is 20 volts. The nominal voltage is 18. And so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.